What good emotional regulation sounds like. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I need to take a break before we continue talking. I notice I'm yelling at you. You don't deserve this. I need to take a breather. I will get back to you when we can continue this conversation. I'm in a bad mood. If I seem off today, please know it's not your fault. I notice I'm shutting down, but I want to have this conversation. I just need to take a couple minutes to process, and then we can get back to this. Emotional regulation isn't about feeling calm all the time. It's about catching yourself before spiraling, lashing out, or shutting down, and actively choosing to do something different.